Alright guys, what's going on? It's Willibeatit and I'm back with another tutorial. So we're going to have a bunch of tutorials coming up here, but this one here is how to fix your lag or your ping in-game on mobile or PC. Now this tutorial is for people that have, 30 to 40 to 50 to 60 to 70, like so on, ping. This isn't for people that are already getting like 15 to 19, ping. Your ping's already super low. You're already close to a server. You don't need to go and connect to something closer. Like your server is right beside you already. But for me personally, I'm in Canada. All the servers are in the US. It's connecting me to some weird server when I'm trying to play. So this app connects me to the best server closest to the server that I need to connect to, and it fixes all of my lag issues. So literally all you gotta do, so easy. Go down into the description below. Click the link. It's going to bring you up to this here. It's going to bring you up to this exact link called Gear Up Booster. Okay, so inside this right here, Gear Up Booster, this is where it's going to bring you. You download it. Hey, there's a 3-day free trial. Just follow the instructions if you want to try it out that way, or you can just purchase it for a month. It's like $9 or something like that for a month. After you buy it, very, very simple, guys. All you do is go up to Gear Up Booster, select your region that you want to play in your game. So whatever server is closest to you or whatever region you want to play, you select it. Okay. Just boost. It'll start boosting your game. Okay. So it automatically launches it as well after it started boosting. Now it should show in game around 64, 63, and then usually it's around, 20-ish, 25 ms lower than what it shows inside the home screen. So right now it's about 70, so it'll be about 35 to 45 ping inside game. What I would was what I would have. But that is totally manageable for in game. Before I would get around 110 to 150. So I think what it's doing is when I launch the game itself, it's still connecting me to like the Brazil servers or some other servers. So this Gear Up Booster is the one thing that will actually switch your server that you're connecting to the proper server, and it'll give you a VPN that doesn't shoot down your internet connection. So yes, it does cost a little bit of money. Yes, you can try a free trial. And yes, it does work for me. I'm not sure for you, but I will have more videos on this topic in the future. I know that they do have a desktop version as well. I will be testing that, but both links will be in the description below. I do believe that the desktop version does work as well. Yeah, this thing is awesome, man. I can't believe that it actually fixed my ping. Like I was trying a bunch of things and I just couldn't figure it out. So yeah, Gear Up Booster, guys. Link in the description below. If this video helped you at all, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next one.